our exciting part, we are continually researching and implementing technologies to improve our service to our customers. One such technology is that of distribution automation. So imagine there is a fault in the areas. We have the time it takes to travel to the area, the time it takes to investigate the area, and the time it takes to restore customers. Imagine there's a fault in those same areas across those same parishes, and we have these devices installed on the lines, and these devices talk to one another all day. These devices talk to one another, and device 1 and 4 will report, well, I'm good, and 2 and 3 say they're not good. So 1 and 4 automatically restores customers fed from 1 and 4. This leaves customers in 2 and 3 off. And all of this happens in less than 2 minutes. The crews then have to travel to the area, then they now do not have to travel the entire area, they just go between devices 2 and 3, investigate the fault, turn on more customers if possible, and do the repairs. We will have customers being restored in less than a minute who are outside the faulted area, while the other customers between 2 and 3 now have to undergo repairs in order to be restored. So this is just an example of how we are actually here and working behind the scenes in order to improve our service team.